In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see giveaways on Whatnot. By the end, you'll confidently spot where giveaways appear in a live show and view the details without missing a thing. First, head to Whatnot. You can use the website in your browser or the mobile app. Both work similarly. Landing on the homepage, you'll see a mix of categories, featured streams, and sellers who are live right now. This is your starting point for finding a show that might be running a giveaway. From the homepage, browse for a seller you're interested in. You can scroll through live shows, tap a category that matches what you like, or use the search bar to look up a specific type of item or seller handle. Giveaways are typically tied to live streams, so prioritize shows that are currently live rather than scheduled. Once you spot a seller that looks promising, click into their tile to open the live stream. Inside the live, you'll see the video at the center, a chat panel with viewers talking, and often a list of items for sale. Stay in this view because the giveaway controls and details live here during the broadcast. Now look toward the top right area of the live screen. That's where Whatnot usually places giveaway indicators. You might see a small gift icon, a tag labeled giveaway, or a banner showing a prize and a countdown. If nothing is visible there, the seller may not have an active giveaway at that exact moment, so keep watching or check another live. When you do see the giveaway indicator, click it. This opens the giveaway panel. Here you can view what the giveaway is, including the prize name, any notes from the host, and the time remaining. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so the details display correctly. Some hosts share extra context in the chat, so it can help to glance there as well. Now you can clearly see the giveaway. You'll typically find the item description, a photo or thumbnail, and any conditions listed by the host, such as when the drawing happens or if the show needs to reach a certain milestone first. If the giveaway panel closes, just tap the same icon again to reopen it. Keep an eye on the countdown. Sellers sometimes run multiple giveaways in a single stream, so if one ends, another might start shortly. That's all there is to it. Go to Whatnot, browse to a seller, enter their live, look at the top right for the giveaway indicator, and click it to see exactly what's being given away. Enjoy exploring, and good luck!